Hello, welcome to Binna Kim Art. Today I will be making a classic and clean holiday floral bouquet using the spiral technique. Before I start making anything, I will go through some materials that I'm going to use. For this arrangement, I will be using a clear fish ball base lined up magnolia leaves inside. This is camellia leaf. Especially for holiday filling arrangement, I prefer using camellia leaf over lemon leaves because of the dark green color and the texture. Okay, spray rose. Okay, spray rose. And spruce spray painted in gold. Mini pinecone bunch. I found it from the flower market. You can also find pine cones from supermarket like the Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, or Deli. Then simply use bind wire like what I did, or use wired wood picks or floral sticks. Here are Christmas ornaments. I tied bind wire onto the hooks, but again, it's better to use wire wood picks for these ornaments. This is some Christmas garland with gold glitter. I found it from the flower market. It comes with the long sticks at the bottom so people can easily hang it or decorate it to the tree or somewhere else. This is a gold mixed glitter leaf garland. It has a long name. I'm not going to use the whole thing, so I'm going to cut it short on the pieces. The tool. You will need clipper, floral knife, and bind wire, and raffia ribbon. I will start cleaning this spray rose. It has many small little thorns on the stems, so carefully clean them with knife. The leaf you can get rid of with your finger or the knife. The rose, the regular rose, I'm going to cut it short. And now we'll remove all the leaves and thorns by using the knife. I'm going to show you again. Cut it short and get rid of some leaves or thorns. Finally, I'm going to make the arrangement. As I mentioned in the beginning, I'm making a hand-tie bouquet using the spiral technique. I will post a video only about the technique next time. I'm adding leaf and gold spruce. I actually don't remember the name of the leaf I'm using right now. Sorry. And you should use the spiral technique for adding leaves as well. In pinecones and ornaments. I will put gold spruce slightly under the ornaments to hold them tightly. And more green. I'm adding spray rose and gold garland pieces. I love to show the gold color, so I'm putting it a little bit higher than other greens. And I like to show brown color, so I picked magnolia leaf flipping backward. In that way, you are going to see brown color in the arrangement. I'm adding heavy ornaments, which means I will need to hold them by using gold spruce or green. As you can see, I keep turning the bouquet because I'd like to check the whole shape, which area needs more green flowers or ornaments, you know. You can also look at your arrangement from the top. In this way, you can see the whole shape. You know, it's a very important process to check all the time. I feel like this spot is perfect for the pinecones. Well, I don't really need to use these elements, but just because I showed you this in the beginning, I will need to use somehow. So while we put it here and hold this with green. Well, I can see this bouquet is almost done. But the glitter is everywhere. It's not gonna come out easily. I'm just letting you know that I used 14 roses and 7 spray roses. And yeah, this is it. I'm done. I'm gonna tie this up. And please don't forget to check the shape after tying it. I will like you to consider it will be your last chance to fix things up nicely. And the last process, let's cut all the stems. And please cut them at 45-degree angles. Okay, I really love this arrangement. You know, I really love to have one glass of wine with this arrangement. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.